Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a quick yoga sequence for relieving back pain. Particularly if you have lower back pain, then this sequence can be really helpful. However, this is not a medical advice. So if you have severe back pain, make sure that you talk to your doctor before practicing this sequence. Let's get started.
Sit up tall with a long straight spine. Keep right leg extended with foot flexed and bend left knee and place the sole of your left foot close to your right hip. Extend your right arm up to get a nice opening stretch. Now bend the elbow and try to hook it in the left knee. If this is too much, you can just hug the knee to your chest. Turn your gaze back as you move into the twist while exhaling. Hold the twist for a few breaths. Slowly release all the way back to the center. Let's repeat the same thing from the other side with left leg extended and right knee bent. Slowly release all the way back to the center. Next, we are going to do cat and cow pose. Come on all fours with your wrists below your shoulders and knees below your hips. Inhale and arch your back to come in cow pose. Take your gaze gently up towards the ceiling. For cat pose, tip your pelvis forward, tucking your tailbone and let your spine round naturally. Draw your navel up towards your spine. Let's go for cow again. And cat pose. While you're doing the cow pose, your belly drops down but still keep the abdominal muscles hugging to your spine by drawing your navel in. Drop your head for cat and take your gaze towards your navel. Continue with cow pose as you arch and cat as you round your back. Inhale to cow and exhale to cat pose. Coming in child's pose, spread your knees as wide as possible on your mat, keeping your toes together. Sit your hips down between your heels. If you cannot sit all the way down, use a couple of blocks or bolster to give you a little step up on things. Bringing your belly to rest between your thighs. Relax your forehead on the floor, relax the shoulders, relax your jaws and relax your eyes. Child's pose is a gentle stretch for your back, hips, thighs, and ankles. It can help relieve back pain very effectively. We are going to move into a series of poses to really strengthen your back muscles. Come on all fours first, spread your palms and curl your toes in. Exhale as you lift your knees up off the floor. At first, keep your knees slightly bent and press your belly towards your thighs. Slowly start straightening your knees without locking them to go into the full pose. If possible, press your heels into the mat to engage your calf muscles. Lengthen your tailbone away from the back of your pelvis and lift the sitting bones towards the ceiling. If you like, bend one knee, stretching the opposite leg, and then switch. I like to call this walking your dog. We're going to go into Sphinx pose. So lie on your stomach and rest your palms and elbows on the mat by your side. Press the tops of your feet onto the mat and engage your kneecaps and quads. Press your palms gently as you lift your upper body. Try to squeeze your upper back and create a good stretch. Hold the pose while you continue to breathe. Slowly release. either repeat the same pose again or interlace your fingers behind the back to allow a deeper shoulder stretch. Slowly release back down. Next is going to be the Cobra pose, one of the best poses you can do for your back. Bring your palms to your chest level and elbows are bent this time closer to your body. Keep your toes together and keep your legs engaged. Gently press your palms to lift your upper body off the floor. Try to pay more attention to back bend when you're lifting your body up. Keep your elbows slightly bent all the time. So let your back do the work. Take a few deep breaths here. And slowly release. We're going to repeat this pose one more time. This time, lift it up to a regular cobra and either you can stay here or bring your chin to your left shoulder. Slowly back to the center and take it to your right shoulder. This will help to stretch the back from the sides where often the tension settles down. Slowly release back. Next pose is going to be locust pose, which is even deeper back bend. Keep your palms to the side by your hip. Lift your arms up, head and shoulders up, legs up, going into the locust pose. Try to push your thighs up to get a little deeper bend in your back. This pose can be a little intimidating. Listen to your body and only go as deep as is comfortable to you. Slowly release and repeat it again to build strength in your back muscles. Every time try to lift a little more and hold the pose for a little longer. Remember to breathe. Slowly release. Next pose is reclined spinal twist. Lie on your back with legs bent 90 degrees, stacking your knees above your hips. Open your hands out and imagine as if your shoulders are pinned down to the floor. Keeping your knees together, slowly bring your legs to your left. Look towards your right. You can also use your left hand to push your legs further down if you want to go a little deeper in this twist. Take a few deep breaths here. Now slowly lift your both legs up, keeping them together. Take it to the right side as you shift your gaze towards your left. Again, hold for a few breaths. Slowly release back to the starting position. Let's repeat this one more time on both sides. Slowly release back to the center and hug your knees to your chest and rock them around. Get a nice massage to your back. For the last pose in the sequence, we will need 2 blocks or bolsters. Keep them under your knees or thighs as you bring your feet together. This is a supported cobbler's pose. Lie down slowly on your back. keeping the cobbler's pose with your legs. And try to relax in this pose. This pose is a very good pose for back pain when done with supports. Don't feel shy to use blocks or other props. Remember, yoga is not a competition or a torture to your body. All we want to achieve is consistent progress with practice while respecting the body. You can stay in this pose as long as you wish and try to relax. I hope you enjoyed this sequence for the back. Make sure you like and share the video and support me by subscribing the channel. Thank you so much. Namaste.